Hi guys, this is Vaibhav.
Hi, this is Akshay. So, congratulations to all the Kazamers. We just finished 1 year building this startup, and we're already one of the largest networks of charging station in the country right now.
So guys, Kazam was started last year in December 2020 and today we are in December 2021. A lot of things have happened in 1 year. The journey has been pretty exciting and happening at this stage. This all started with a vision that, electric vehicles was going to be the next big thing, and me and Akshay realized that there was a lot of requirements from the charging infrastructure side that will be needed. So we decided that we will take this task hands-on of enabling electric mobility by building the best and the world's largest electric vehicle charging station infrastructure.
Correct. And it was just the two of us with a laptop sitting and trying to figure out what exactly do we want to build and how it should look, how it should be visioned and made into the product in itself. And I still remember that it was, I think, somewhere in December when we got our first hire to join and make the first landing page and website for Kazam. And it's just been a journey since then.
I was in Delhi, he was in Mumbai. We moved to Bangalore in March and we started building stuff there. A lot of people joined us at initial stages as well, and we are very lucky to have those people, and they are still part of our organization, and we are very lucky to have that strong team. We didn't have much money to pay them at that particular point, but they were motivated by the purpose and the vision of the company, and they have helped us in building Kazam what it is today.
Correct. I still remember we did not even have chairs and tables, so we were all sitting on the ground and trying to build the things by ourselves, calling people, calling customers, building the product, making changes in the hardware, writing firmware and code, everything, on the floor. No tables, no chairs, nothing available with us. And the journey was really a roller coaster. We just finished hiring our first 5 people for the organization, and COVID hit us. And the second wave of COVID hit, and we had to shut shop or the office within 1 month. So somewhere around May, we packed all the tech guys into the same office, and we were all sleeping, eating, working throughout at that pace of time. And I think by the end of it, right, we even got COVID ourselves.
Coming to installation, we did our first installation in April month. It was in JP Nagar, Bangalore.
I would actually call it as our first outing, for the core team, where we actually went together, tried to, fix the whole charging station ourselves and solve problems over there, understood exactly what would take for us to do it in the future, learned on the mistakes or the best practices that we could implement while installing the charging station. So it was a very good team exercise that happened, with the first few teams, and gelled the team very well because of that particular instance itself.
Yes, and since that day there was no stopping. We were installing charging station almost every day. Supply was one of the challenges that we had to sort, because now demand part was sorted. The part was delivered the best quality products in the best time possible. That was also one of the challenges, and especially with the lockdown coming around that time, the things got pretty complicated. In product also we have diversified a lot. Now we are not only providing hardware solutions, but we are also providing software solutions. We are enabling OEMs to have Kazam software on their charging stations, and that can be operated via Kazam mobile application. That is what truly makes us the super app of electric vehicle charging. Coming to customers, guys, customers are the lifeline of the company. We want to be one of the most customer-centric companies in the EV charging industry.
It started working. So Kazam. So Kazam is like a magic word, and I think this is really a magic that I am able to drive my car to such a long distance.
Your service support is very friendly.
बघितलं कझाम आय थिंक की एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन आहे. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर मार्केटमधले जर प्राईस बघितलेत, प्रॉडक्ट बघितलेत, सर्विस क्वालिटी बघितली, या सगळ्यांचं कंपेअर करून मी कझाम बेस्ट समजलं. आणि
तो जल्दी से डिलीवरी भी आ गया और उसका रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छा है. इजी टू यूज़ है.
YouTube. I like that product. The aesthetic look is very nice. Also, it attracts me because of the IoT feature.
We started hiring in December 2020, and today in December 2021 we are 70 people strong, and we are aggressively growing as well. One word that comes to my mind when I think of Kazam is life.
Nimble.
Revolution. Elevation. Strength. Fearless.
Family.
Growth.
Freedom and support.
Dream come true.
Working is fun here. It's phenomenal.
It's my love. Family. Fabulous.
Adventurous,
Flamboyant. Confidence.
Possibilities.
Vibrant. Is integrity.
Foundation.
inclusive,
Booster.
Creativity.
Instant creativity.
Eco-friendly.
Unique. Positivity.
Opportunity.
Future.
Inspiration.
motivation,
Booming industry.
Kazamly amazing.
Good experience.
potential and expansion.
Future hope.
Yeah, so we grew from zero or two from inception to almost 70 people right now, and we're very grateful for all of you Kazamers to be a part of our journey.
We got first funding, and we were lucky to have investors who were ready to believe in our vision, and they invested in us, and that's when we moved to the newer office. So we'd like to thank all the Kazamers who are doing an amazing job across the departments, whether it be tech, sales, marketing, operations, design. Every team member has given his or her best, and we would like to thank you, and we are grateful for that. We really look forward to work with all of you going forward.